In this video we will dismantle, reassemble and set up a plane. The key elements that we will be looking at are the plane iron cap, cap screw, lever cap screw, the frog, Y adjusting lever, adjusting nut and a lateral adjusting lever. First, lift the lever cap iron lever and remove the lever cap iron, then carefully remove the plane iron assembly. Then loosen the cap iron screw with a screwdriver. Pull the cap iron backwards and rotate by 90 degrees, then lift apart. Then sharpen the iron as described in the video, how to sharpen a plane or chisel. This is the lateral adjusting lever, and this nut adjusts the depth of cut. These two screws hold the frog in position. The frog can be adjusted by rotating the screw behind the frog. Move the frog forward, closes the mouth, and backward opens the mouth. The narrower the mouth, the finer the shaving. Hardwoods and timber with interlocking grain often require a narrow mouth to help achieve a good finish to the plane surface. Reassemble the iron and cap iron by passing the cap screw through the hole in the iron whilst holding the cap iron at 90 degrees to the iron. The cap iron goes on the flat side of the iron. Slide the cap iron along the slot in the iron until it is near the top of the iron, then rotate until the cap iron is aligned with the iron. Slide the cap iron forward until it is between 1 and 1.5 mm from the cutting edge of the iron. Ensure that the cap iron is parallel with the edge of the iron. Tighten the cap iron retaining screw with a screwdriver. Carefully place the iron and cap iron assembly on the frog and ensure that the lateral adjusting lever is correctly engaged and that the Y adjusting lever is engaged in its slot. The cap iron retaining screw should face the frog. Next, replace the lever cap iron. The lever cap iron lever should not need excessive force to close it, or be so loose as not to hold the iron firmly on the frog. You might need to adjust the lever cap iron screw to achieve the correct amount of pressure. Once assembled, move the lateral adjusting lever from side to side to settle the iron into place. Holding the plane with the sole facing up, rotate the depth adjusting screw until the iron is only just visible beyond the sole. Adjust the lateral adjusting lever until the iron is parallel with the sole. Place the plane on a piece of timber and make a cut. You might need to increase or decrease the amount of cut. Adjust the lateral adjusting lever until the plane is producing the same amount of cut across the whole of its width. Adjust the depth of cut until a translucent shaving is produced.